Hello guys, this is Universe channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A32 Wi-Fi problem or Wi-Fi connection problem. So before starting video, if you're first time on the channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you're facing Wi-Fi connection problem in Samsung Galaxy A32, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.